James? Oh my goodness, it's been months since we last met, my dear friend.
Wow, I can't believe it. Sophia, you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you so much. You're as cute as ever. How have you been?
I'm doing fantastic. It's been a great year for me. Do you remember I graduated last month?
Oh, I had no idea, but that's amazing. What did you study? Medicine, right?
I was studying medicine, but I switched to law, and I recently graduated in that field.
How interesting. Well, congratulations on your achievement, my friend. Are you already working?
Yes, indeed. I'm employed at the Main Street building. And what about you? Are you working too?
Yes, I'm an engineer at Manhattan Corporation office. It's been an amazing experience.
Wow, that's fantastic. Sophia, you truly look stunning today, you know that?
Oh, you're making me blush, James. You two are looking great, by the way. Of
Really? I've put on a little weight, and I used to be so slim and fit, don't you remember?
course, I remember you very well. I used to see you in school every day.
You did? In school? I had no idea.
Yes, we were classmates, silly. We saw each other every day, that's quite normal.
Oh, yes, of course, now I remember. It was normal, seeing each other daily in school.
Relax, James. Why do you seem so nervous? Is everything okay?
Oh, I'm more than okay. I just wanted to ask you something.
Of course, you can tell me. Is there something bothering you?
I'm not sure yet. I need to ask you first. Are you still dating Christopher?
No, I'm not seeing him anymore. But let's not talk about him today, please.
I see. Did something happen? If he hurt you, I can talk to him on your behalf.
Seriously, James, I don't feel like discussing him right now, so please drop it.
Alright, I'm sorry. I just care about you and don't want anyone to hurt you.
Thank you for your concern, but I'll be fine. Let's change the subject, okay?
Sure, I apologize. You're a wonderful person, and I just want the best for you.
I appreciate that, but let's not dwell on it now. So, you were asking me something?
Yes, well, I don't know what I was thinking. Just forget it.
What? Why would I forget it? If you were asking me out, it's perfectly fine, James.
Really? I didn't expect this from myself either. I'm sorry for the suddenness.
Don't worry about it. We're friends, right? I'd love to hang out with you.
It's great. So, where should we go? How about a movie?
You know what? I know a lovely restaurant outside the city. Let's go there and have a nice meal.
Sounds like a plan to me. When should we do this? Maybe tomorrow?
Tomorrow is too soon for me. I have work. Don't you work tomorrow?
Oh, right. I'm sorry, I got carried away. How about the next weekend then?
That sounds better. Are you free on Saturday?
Absolutely. I don't work on weekends, so Saturday is perfect. What time should we meet?
Let's say around 1 or 2 in the afternoon. Does that work for you?
1 o'clock is perfect. Shall I pick you up, or would you rather meet somewhere?
It's no trouble, Alonso. I'll come to pick you up at your home. Just give me your address.
Are you sure about that? I can go to your home if you prefer.
I'm sure it's fine. I'll see you at your home. What's your address?
All right. It's 456 Evergreen Street, next to the new church.
I know that church. I go there sometimes on Sundays. We should go together sometime.
Seriously? I didn't know that. Of course, we can go together one day.
Well, then I'll pick you up at 1 o'clock at your place, 456 Evergreen Street.
Yeah, that's right. And if you have any trouble finding it, just give me a call. Can I give you my number?
Sure, I was actually going to ask for your number too.
Alright, it's 605 to 546,972. You can save it as James Pickman.
Got it. I'll see you next Saturday, then.
I'm looking forward to it. Maybe we can grab a drink or take a stroll after lunch. What do you think?
That sounds like a great idea. If we have fun during the day, we can go dancing at a club too.
I'm excited about it. Thank you for agreeing to go out with me.
Don't mention it. You're a bit odd, but in a charming way.
I apologize if I come across as weird. It's just my nerves, you know.
No need to apologize. We'll have fun. Speaking of which, you want to dance now?
I love dancing. Let's hit the dance floor.